Hey guys, I'm John. This is the Lenovo Chromebook Duet, and the channel is JS Techie. Alright, now this beautiful bad boy here, it comes in at, right now with the coupon code, it comes in at $267. Without the coupon code, it's like $290. It comes with the keyboard case, so that's pretty good for a budget tablet. It comes with a case and a keyboard, so it's got some functionality there. As for specs, it's got a MediaTek Helio P60T. A little bit about that processor: it's 8 cores, got 4 A73 cores and 4 A53 cores, and then it's a Mali G72 MP3 GPU. Don't know too much about that, but we'll definitely see the specs, see the performance. I will do some benchmarks. It's a 12 nanometer processor. It's pretty cool. 4 gigabytes of RAM, and then it comes with 64 gigabytes or 128 gigabytes of internal storage. 10.1 inch display, 16 by 10 aspect ratio, and it's 1920 by 1200. It's 7,000 milliamp hour battery. It's got 2 speakers, 2 mics, 2 cameras. I don't care about the cameras, but if you do, they're a 2 megapixel front facing camera and an 8 megapixel rear facing camera. It's a tablet. They don't have good cameras. This is a budget tablet. It's not gonna have a great camera. If the iPad Pro doesn't have the best camera, this isn't gonna have the best camera. But an interesting fact about this, it's the first tablet with the Chrome optimized for tablets put on it, so that's pretty interesting. This did release several months ago. It's not a new product, but you know, it's pretty exciting. I also do have the Lenovo USI pin in the mail, so I will be doing a review on that when I get it, and I will go you know, a more long-term review on this product after I get that. Right now, this is just going to be an unboxing and first impressions, plus I'll give you guys some specs and see how I like it. Just my opinions. If you do want to purchase this product, I would say I have Amazon links in the description, but looking at it right now, it seems like buying it directly from Lenovo might be your best bet. So let's get into the unboxing. Alright, now let's start with the unboxing of this bad boy. Alright, so like I said, this product does come with a case that doubles as a keyboard, so that's pretty good. I don't think it has expandable storage, which can be an issue, but you know, I'm not too worried about it right there. Right now it's a tablet, so I don't imagine, you know, it'll be like crazy. Let me make sure we get this. Come on. Here we go. Lift this out. This is the tablet. Okay. Alright. I am not upset. I do like the color scheme they decided to go with. I like the blue and the black. It does feel pretty good. Like it's I like it. I like it a lot. We will set this off to the side and see what else we get in the box. I'll just put that right here. Okay. That's not important. What's in here? Maybe. Ooh, this must be the case. Okay, alright. Try not to bump my recording equipment. Alright, okay. Alright, so we will go ahead and throw this on. I do like the color scheme, but I do like it staying in good shape more. Okay. Pretty interesting. Okay. Alright, so that doesn't seem, unless I'm crazy. Okay, let's go ahead and get this out first before I really focus on that too much. Okay. Okay. Alright. Not too bad. Not too bad. It feels... Let me just give you my first impression really quick. So... it's okay. It's okay. It's a little small, but I think it'll work. It'll be fine. All right, let's. I think we do get a charger, which is pretty rare nowadays, actually. We do. I think it is a. I think it's a 10-watt charger, I believe. Oh, come on. Oh, you gotta open the other side. God, I am so silly. Okay. There we go. And we get a mic adapter. So it does not have a headphone port. It does come with a USB-C cable and a 10-watt charger. So let me throw this thing together. We'll actually do this together. So, okay, so it's a magnetic. This is magnetic. Alright, okay. Alright, I'm not too upset. Let's... Okay. And this is what it looks like. That's not bad. Now this is supposed to... Okay, let's see how that... Okay, you know what? This could be pretty nice. It's got... I don't know how well you guys can see that. Probably not very. But I'll change the angle on the camera soon. But for right now, let's keep it pretty low. And we'll go ahead and power this bad boy on. I want to say that's the power button. I certainly hope so. Else I could be looking really... Oh, there it is. Okay. Looks pretty bright, although I think it's only a 400 nit screen, so I don't think it's crazy bright. Ooh, you guys missed that peel, and I'm so sorry. I should not have taken that away from you guys. Okay, so I think I've got to set it up. So I will do that, and I will be right back. Okay, guys, so after playing with the tablet a little bit, I do have the benchmarks done. If the camera wobbles a little bit, I'm terribly sorry. I'm trying to get this set up exactly how I have it. The screen is okay. It works. It's not the brightest screen, but you know, it's not bad. So this is the benchmark results for the Geekbench score. So we can go over here and we could actually see that we're actually kind of close to the Snapdragon 655, which is a mid-range chip, at least on single core. And on the multi-core, let's see, 1260, we're a little bit less than that, so probably closer to like a 650 or something, if they have a 650. I don't know, maybe like a 630 or something. I'm not too sure about the scores. I don't usually benchmark my stuff. I just kind of go off how it feels. So I mean, this feels, it's not terrible. I don't have the best setup for this. The Slingshot Extreme, I don't think this is a great score either, but it doesn't support Vulkan. But I mean, it is better than 32%, you know. But you know what? This is fine too. I'm not too upset about this. It's, you know, it's a tablet, and this is hold on. So this, let me just minimize this. So that's what some Android apps look like on this device. It just kind of pops up a window, and the speakers get moderately loud. They're pretty good speakers. I'm just, you know, going off, you know, comparing it to my phone. That's at max. Let's listen to a little bit of some copyright-free music, and then we'll try to play Dragon Ball Legends and see if we can play it on this thing. Let me turn the mic around. My speakers are very hard to like demonstrate on devices because no matter what, you can't get a true sound. Whoops. Did not mean to do that. So we're going to go ahead and turn this down. We're going to let this game get what it needs to be downloaded, and then we'll come back and I'll try playing it a little bit. Most people play Fortnite, or not Fortnite, they play PUBG or Call of Duty Mobile. I'm not going to game on this thing. That's not its purpose to game. So I don't plan to use it for that. I mean, I do have one other tablet that might be a little bit, no, it's way older, so it's not gonna be, you know, better at gaming either. But it's not what this tablet's for. So we're gonna do this like a little bit. I haven't played this game a whole lot, and I've never played it like this, so bear with me. Alright, it's just it sort of works like exactly what you expect. It's just instead of distorting the screen. Okay, alright. Like, it looks good. Like, it looks on my old flagship phone. I have a LG G8X ThinQ with a Snapdragon 850, which was the best when it came out, and it looks very similar, so it can run this game fine. Oh, charge and hold my key. No. Until it's full. Alright, it's just whatever. We see it plays it. Now I'm not gonna bother keeping this on there. So I mean, I'm very happy with this thing, as Chrome OS is new to me. I'm not gonna lie, but it's like very similar to Android from what I can tell. I mean, Chrome, I tried downloading Antutu, but I have to go into developer options, which is different on the Chrome than it is on the on your smartphone. So, but I mean, YouTube looks nice. I like tablet YouTube. I think it's pretty cool. You can see kind of the stuff that I kind of watch, like. Huge shout out to J Rose. Your stuff's always entertaining. It's the same as Mud Dry Bread. You know, these are Austin Evans, of course. I do a lot of tech, you know, watch. Anyways, we're not gonna get into, like, videos are nice. It's very nice. The screen's very nice. I don't have any complaints. I mean, this stand feels pretty good. Like, I mean, it's not like the sturdiest, but like for what it is, it's free with a tablet, so it's good enough for sure. I mean, it hasn't like dropped at all, except for, you know, when I moved it myself. So it feels pretty sturdy. I'm happy. Some competitors to this would be the Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and that does come with a pen. It doesn't come with a case or anything. So I mean, I think it's a little better spec, but I mean, they're very comparable. That's obviously an Android tablet, and this is a Chromebook. But you know what? I'm excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this, and we're gonna look at my ugly mug again. So you may be asking, what's the point of this? Where am I going with this product? Why did I think it would be interesting? Well, I'm going to tell you the direction I'm going in. So my plans for this, well, one, I'm going to do like a drawing review with it. I'm going to get the pen, and I'm going to test that out. I'm going to test how it does the drawing apps, you know, all that stuff with the Lenovo USI pen. You could use HP pens or something, but I just, you know, I'm getting this stuff from Lenovo, so I'm using their pen. Anyways, so that's one part of it. That's I'm going with. But I'm also going to see if you can use this for content creation. So I want to, you know, I'm going to use my phone to record. Obviously, I'm not going to use the 8 megapixel. It'd be too much of a pain. But I'm going to do all the video editing on it. I'm going to try to get the audio recorded on it. That should be easy to do. I do have a USB-C lavalier mic, so I could do that. We'll see how easy that's going to be to do. It's going to be, I think it might be challenging, but doable. So we're going to see how that turns out later down the road. I'm still waiting on some stuff before I get right there. I think I need a USB-C dongle. I just need other ways to connect this thing. But look forward to that. I'm happy with this thing. This thing's pretty cool. Can't wait for the pin though. I'm excited about the pin. And that's it. I mean, this is more for me than anybody else. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye.